Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Drawing with Shamim. If you want to learn a beautiful village sceneries drawing, then you are in right place. Today I am breaking down a beautiful village scenery step by step. Grab your pencils and let's get sketching. Step 1. Draw the big tree. Start by drawing a large tree trunk on the left side of the paper. Draw oval-shaped fruits on the tree. Make the trunk thick and curved. Add a few branches at the top. Now I am going to draw a sleeping lamb. On the right side, draw a simple village house. Add slanted roofs. Draw windows and a door. Now draw the mango tree. Above the house, draw another tree. Add branches and leaves. Draw mango-shaped fruits hanging from branches. Now I am using black marker for outlines. Now draw a curved road path from the bottom center towards the middle bottom. Make the path wider at the front and thinner forehead. Add small bush shapes across the middle line. Draw the sunset. Draw a half circle sun behind the bushes. Draw palm trees. Behind the bushes, draw two palm trees. Make thin trunks. Add long leaves spreading outward. Draw birds in the sky. Add small flying birds using simple V shapes. Place them near the sun. Now erase all the pencil marks. am using some budget friendly oil pastels for this demo today. If you are looking for affordable materials, check the links in the description. For the tree trunk, I used black and brown combination. Fruits, I use light green, and leaves, I use dark green. Bushes, I used here yellow, light green and dark green combination. Roof, orange and red combination. Walls, I leave white, and floor, light grey. Doors are yellow and black. And here, use a black marker to outline of trees, house, path, fruits, birds. This makes the drawing look bold. Want to win today's art giveaway prize? Drop a emoji in the comments right now. Along with your biggest drawing struggle, I will announce the random comment winner in the next video. All you have to do is leave a comment below, any comment or emoji, or tell me your favorite part of this drawing. I will be picking a winner directly from the comment section. So make sure your notifications are turned on. So turn on your notifications.